I'm Melody. I am going to do a review on this Greenworks Pro electric lawnmower. We've had it a couple months. I got it from Costco. It has made my life much better with being able to mow this yard. I will show you a little bit about it. Okay, it folds up nicely into this compact thing. So it just lifts up and it fits in this really short space, so which is really good, and it's really easy to store. So then we, and it's very light, I would say. To get the handle back, you just pull on these like that, and it goes up like so. Okay, and then you put the battery in the battery compartment. So that lifts up. I'm going to turn this around so you can see it the other way. Hi, I'm back. I've turned around the electric lawnmower, and these are the two lithium batteries that it comes with. An 80-volt lithium battery, and this other one, it doesn't have as, how many volts is in this? I'm not quite sure. Maybe it'll say on the back. 72 volt equal 2 AH. Not quite sure what that means. Well, I'm gonna have to do a different segment on that. But this one doesn't go, it doesn't store as much battery juice. So we found we don't even use this one, but if you put both of them in and your lawn, you take more time with your lawn, or your lawn's bigger, then it will automatically go and use this one after this one is done. But we found we don't even need this one, so we don't even put this one in. So I'm going to put this one back. Okay, now I am going to put the battery in the lawnmower. We lift this up, and on the back we have these like connector holes. So I put those, and you'll see the connectors that it would go into. I stick it in that way, and it goes in just like that, and it's in. Voila! Okay, so the hand controls, I should show you a little bit more about them. Yeah, I guess we can see that. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Okay, so on here is this the power button. Then you have this, which keeps it going. And then these are the drive. It doesn't matter which one you hold on this or this down here for the drive. So you can power it up just like so. Well, did I not do something right? Oh, there you go. It's powered up. Well, and it says to wait a few minutes before starting it again. If you do that, or not a few minutes, but a few seconds or something like that, a minute, whatever. So I'm gonna mow some of this yard here so you can see me how it looks, I guess. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to move the camera so you can have a better view. Okay. Okay, to move. I like my handles lower. Okay, so squeeze. I forgot to do something. I forgot to put the bag on, so I will go get the bag. Okay, I got the lawnmower bag. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna go put it on. Well, I did that part without being in drive, and it was very light. So I'm going to do some more with it in drive. Okay, and the one thing about drive, I guess, to get it to disengage, you have to take it out of drive before you're able to back it up. So I just normally, in tight spots, keep it out of drive, and then when I have open area, I put the drive on. Okay, so I'm gonna mow some more. I don't know if you'll enjoy me watching me mow and sweat, because it's like 95 out here. And, but had to let the grass dry before I could mow. Okay, I'm gonna do some more mowing. Well, unfortunately, I turned off my camera, or I didn't turn it on, I don't know what, but this section of the lawn is now mowed. I'm going to move it to another section. Just have to move the camera so you can see it, so you can see me mow. Okay, thanks. Okay, I'm going to show you me mowing my lawn again. Okay, so hopefully I'll have you on record this time. So here I go. Okay, now I need to reset the camera. Still running? Yes. Okay. Ah. Okay, I couldn't remember where I mowed, so but the section's all mowed now. Yay. Okay, this is the hardest part of the yard. So I'm going to mostly do it in no drive, but I wanted to let you know that there is a speed adjustment for the drive, which is very cool. But most of this, it's such a tight space, and I just do it without the drive on. So, but I'm going to mow this section. Okay. Just wanted to add, this lawn mower comes with a turbo setting. I have never needed to use it. My husband says it would use more battery. Also, he mows the front yard that has a steep hill. He says at times the mower will shut off, but starts up again easily. He thinks it is a safety feature. Got too close. Okay, so there you go. That's mowed the yard. And this is so great. Okay, well, I'm gonna go finish putting things away and tell you more about it. Okay, bye. Hi, I'm back. I am wanting to finish up this video. I had to go take a quick shower and because I got too hot and change, just got too sweaty. And so I just want to finish up with this great lawnmower. It is a Greenworks Pro and self-propelled. I wanted to say that it does come with a mulching thing that goes in here, and you just stick it in here, and then it mulch. I accidentally left it in for this because I didn't realize it was in there. My husband used it the last time, and so this section was mulched and the other sections was bagged. So and it also came with another propeller, but this one I guess works better with lifting the stuff off the ground like leaves and stuff. So we have this propeller in, and then to get it out, the battery out, you just lift up, pinch, and it pops right out. I only used like 1 bar of the charge, so it's basically charged still. So I will get this put away. I will, to do that, just lift up, close it down, and then it will store like this in our garage. So it's great. Hope you liked my video, and please subscribe if you liked it, and thumbs up. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.